Sabi ni Pablo sa verse 15, their feet are swift to shed blood. Quotation ito sa Isaiah 59 verse 7. So ang ginawa dito ni Pablo, naglagay, meron siyang isang thesis, meron siyang isang theology about man's depravity, and sinuport niya yun ng puro scripture. So quotation ito sa Isaiah 59:7, and notice na ginamit dito ni Pablo yung word na swift to show humanity's propensity for violence. In essence, sinasabi ni Pablo dito, quoting Isaiah, kung paanong fallen humanity is quick to violence. They are quick to hurt, they are quick to destroy. And kadalasan, all it takes is a wounded ego or a bruised pride or a sudden burst of anger or a thirst for revenge. Then yung isang tao na akala mo ay kalmado and reasonable na kausap, suddenly nagiging willing siya to lash out and injure others. That is all what it takes para ang isang maamong tupa mag-transform sa mabangis na leon na quick to harm. Kaya minsan, di ba, nagugulat tayo? Akala mo, maamong tupa, pero willing pala siyang pumatay. Ito yung description dito. Their feet is swift to shed blood. And maraming tao, mababasa ang verse 15, ang sasabihin nila, Pastor, di naman ako nag-murder. Wala naman akong pinatay. Muntik ko lang siyang masuntok. Pero ang punto dito ni Pablo is bigger than murder itself. In-expose ni Pablo yung violence that resides in the human heart. Some anthropologists, sabi nila, mas marami ang namatay sa violence than all of the people who died in wars combined. So mas marami daw ang namatay sa violence kaysa sa mga wars.